Amy Lynn Bradley, 23, disappeared from the Rhapsody of the Seas cruise ship on March 24, 1998, while on a trip to Curaçao. She was last seen sleeping on her cabin balcony, but by morning, she was gone. In October 2025, new interest in Amy's case came after the release of the Netflix documentary Amy Bradley is Missing. It brought forward new leads, with 3 being very important. A bartender from the cruise ship now says she yelled "Señorita kidnapped," but was ignored. There are also clues suggesting Amy might have been trafficked, and she may have a child. The FBI and Amy's family are offering a combined $275,000 reward for information. The Bradley family believes Amy is still alive and is continuing their search. If she's alive today, Amy would be 51. Her story has been shared on shows like Unsolved Mysteries. Her family still hopes for her return.